Hello kids, welcome to Abc123 Magical Learning. Kids, today we will learn alphabets, lowercase a to z. We will trace and write the missing alphabets. First we will learn name of the colors. Yellow color, golden color, orange color, green color, dark green color, peach color, mint green color, brown color. Now let's trace the alphabet and write the next missing alphabets. Lowercase a, this is small a, lowercase. After a, which alphabet kids? B, lowercase, small b. After b, C, small c. Next is D, small d. After D, which alphabet? E, this is lowercase e. After E, which alphabet is missing? Tell me kids. F, small f. Next is G, small g. After G, which alphabet is missing? Tell me. H, good. H, small h, lowercase. I, small I. After I, tell me. J, small j. After J, which alphabet? K, small k. Then comes which alphabet? L, small l. Small l. Next is M, small m. After M, which alphabet is missing? Right here. N, good. Small n, lowercase. Next is O. O, small o. After O, what comes after O? P, good. Small p, lowercase. After P, Q. This is Q, small q. Then comes R, small r. After R, S, small s. Then comes T, small t. After T, U, small u. Then comes V, small v. After V, W, small w, lowercase. What comes after W? Tell me kids. After W, X, small x, good. Then comes Y, small y. Then comes Z, small z. Lowercase. Today we have learned lowercase letters A to Z with different colors A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Kids, hope you like this video. Please share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye bye.